I'm at home. Yeah, I can watch live cam for my job. Set it up last night. Picked up to Badri. What's up? How was school?
Good.
It was good? What'd you learn today?
We just had.
What a coincidence.